we have come to our undupable segment.
Okay, yes.
And 5 things.
I studied for this one.
Yes, I know. Now people are getting hip to it now. And so you're going to have 1 minute.
Okay.
5
oh my
things.
God, really? Can I use my phone? I wrote down what I have.
The only rule is that it has to be actually undupable.
Okay.
No one can dupe it.
Okay, there you go.
And I need to give me like a little reason why.
Okay.
Yeah, but you have a minute. The timer's here.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Oh my God. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Amalfi Gold from Dew of the Gods. It's the best hair oil ever. It's undupable because it's so smooth. It's so moisturizing. It's anti-frizz. It's everything. You're going to love it. It smells amazing. The Theory from Dew of the Gods, oat milk and retinol. It's just such an innovative formula. You're not going to find anything that feels as good and fresh on your skin. From other brands, I'm obsessed with Boy de Chanel. It's a really, really great arm of the Chanel brand.
Okay.
Their aftershave balm, anybody who shaves, you need it. It's so good. It's undupable. It feels amazing. Gets rid of like that razor burn kind of a vibe. Second last one, Glossier Future Dew. I don't know if you've ever used that. It's a hybrid oil serum. And let me tell you, I've tried to dupe it. It is undupable. I have tried. I'm going to keep trying, but it's really, really good. And then this is not so much beauty, but fragrance. Le Labo. Oh my God, all their fragrances are amazing. Thé Noir, it's one of my favorites. And I've also tried to dupe that. And it's really hard. It's not, they have their formula unlocked. So how much time do I have left?
1 second.
Oh, amazing. Perfect. We did it.
That was great.
Cool.
I'm glad you like Le Labo because...
Are you wearing it?
No, we might have something special for you.
Oh my God. Okay, I love that.
When you said that, I looked at Talia, but you weren't looking at me. I was like,
oh my God, I love it.
Those are all great. Those are all undupable. I agree.
Okay.
I love the Glossier tea that you're like, I've tried.
It's a really good formula, and we love to try and do products because if we can do it, like we don't just try and do it. Like one thing is to do it for a lower price point. Like we want to make products affordable and amazing, but we also want to put our own spin on it and analyze the ingredients list and see like how can we keep the effect of this product, but make it actually better ingredients. And we
you're
do
like,
that.
how do we,
how
it's
do
like
we
a challenge.
one-up it?
It's like a fun challenge.
Exactly.
Yeah. So that's good. Yeah.
Are you hitting